Hello folks, this is just another quick little Unreal Engine sort of semi-tutorial. Just all revolving around a first-person shooter because, hey, most of us play that kind of game. Um, how we do sprinting and zooming in and out. So in project settings, we can bind actions, keys to actions. So there's a few of these were predefined. So, we've got our move forward as axis mapping. So, W will move forward. This is your scale. So forward will be positive. S backwards would be negative. Similarly with left and right. So that's kind of how that works. Jump is attached to the space bar. And what I've done is I've added sprint to left shift and a zoom to right mouse button. And if we go into our blueprints, so I've got these two pieces of code here. So we've got player sprint code. So we're getting the input action of sprint, which is here. And we are saying, okay, I now want to set the character movement walk speed. If it's pressed to 2200, the regular speed is 600, so whenever it's released, then we just go back to regular speed. So I can show that running now. So this is ordinary speed, and then whenever I hold down shift, we start to run and zoom about the place. It's maybe a bit too fast, but that's just the value it's chosen. So how to zoom in and out. This is quite interesting. So we go to our input action again. We've got our zoom here, and what I've done is I've added this to a timeline. So what you can do with a timeline, it's how you can smoothly go between sort of two values. So our regular zoom is at 90. Yeah, so there are 90. So I put a keyframe here. And then to zoom into an object, then it's at 45. So you can see this bit of a graph. It's this kind of like gradual sort of zoom in to 45. And then I just hook up the field of view. And the field of view comes from your first person camera. So that's what controls sort of how you look, go up and down and stuff like that. And then I set the field of view. So if right mouse button is pressed, then we play the timeline and it zooms in. If it's released, then we reverse. So then we zoom out again. So if I jump back into this and press my right mouse button, so you can see it sort of zoom in and out quite fluidly there. So that's the tricks of the trade. Hope you found that interesting, and we'll maybe be another video up soon.